Hey guys, welcome to our channel once again. It's your boy Ewene Obed here, and today in this video I'm sharing with you some of my tricks when it comes to using Word document. The top 5 of them that I really implement most of the times and I know will be very useful to you all out there. So stay tuned. So the first one I want to talk about is how to select a word or a sentence. So this is usually the issue when people want to select a word. For instance, with this document that is open here, if I want to select the word popularly, usually what you do is you click and drag with the mouse. Click and drag with the mouse. And sometimes some people have an issue of getting this right. So the easiest way out is just to double click within the word. So if I want to select popularly, all I have to do is to double click popularly. So boom, that is it. It has already selected. So any other word that I want to select, all I need to do is to place my cursor within the word and double click it and it gets selected. What if I want to select the whole sentence? So this whole sentence, if I want to select it, what will I do? That's the next trick I want to show you. So on the normal, you would have to click from this end and drag to the other end. That is how to do it on the normal. But what is the trick to selecting this? Let me show you. So just as we easily double click to select a word, if you want to select the whole statement or the whole sentence, all you have to do is make sure you're holding down the control key. So currently I'm holding down my control key, and any space within or any place within that particular sentence, just click within the sentence and boom, it has already selected the whole sentence. So let's try it to a different sentence. Let's say this particular one here. I hold down my control, I'm holding down the control now, then I click within the sentence, then it selects it. So just as we all understand what a sentence is like, it takes the punctuations into considerations depending on how you have structured your sentence. So you're going to select what it considers to be a sentence as a whole sentence on its own. So let me try the last one. I'm holding on control, then I click within this point 1. Then you see there is a full stop here. There is a full stop here at the end over here, so it ends up selecting that particular one as a sentence and not the whole line. So by sentence I mean considering all the punctuations and what the document sees as a sentence. If that's what you want to select, you just hold down the control and click within the sentence. So the next tip I want to share with you is if you want to rule a horizontal line, create a horizontal line. So for instance, if after this particular sentence, after the point 4, I want to create a line, a horizontal line afterwards, all I need to do is, let's say I need a horizontal line here, so hyphen this 3 times, enter hyphen 3 times, or click the hyphen 3 times as you have seen here, then press the enter key. That's it. So anytime you want to create a horizontal line, all you need to do is find the place where you want to create a horizontal line, then press the hyphen key 3 times by creating 3 hyphens and pressing enter. That's the secret. Okay, so the next trick I want to show you is creating superscripts and subscripts. So for instance, let's say, let me type out something. I want to write 2 raised to the power 3. Let me say it's not supposed to be 23, it's supposed to rather be 2 raised to the power 3. So all that I do is to make sure I select the 3, then hold down control. If it is subscript, that is, it's going down, so you hold down control and the equal to key. That's it. That's subscript 2, subscript 3. But if it's supposed to be a superscript, then you hold control shift equals, so this gives us a superscript. So it is that simple. Anytime you need something to become a superscript, it is control shift then the equal sign. If you need it to be a subscript, then control and the equal to sign. So the next trick I want to show you is how to delete one word at a go. So all we know about is, if I want to delete this whole word corona, usually what I'll have to do is to click and select this word before I hit the delete to delete it, and it becomes cumbersome. So the easiest way out is just to face the cursor in front of the word, then hold Ctrl and backspace. So as you can see, I just deleted the word easily. So I just click Ctrl undo Z to undo, just to show you. Let me say this particular one. If I want to delete this word, that's all. If I want to delete this word, place the cursor in front of the word, then you press Ctrl and backspace. So you end up deleting the word. Simple like that. The last step I want to show you in this video is how do you increase the font size. How to increase the font size of the word. So for instance, if I want this word to increase in font size by using shortcut, all I do is place a cursor within the word, then I can use Ctrl Shift and the greater than sign. Ctrl Shift greater than sign. So as you can see, it is increasing the word. Simple like that. Ctrl Shift less than sign will take it back to the smaller sizes. So if you decide to use a different shortcut, there is one other shortcut that we can use, that is Ctrl and the curly brackets. So that is what I'm pressing now, Ctrl and curly brackets. Depending on how the brackets is, you increase or decrease with the other one. Okay, so these are two simple ways that you can increase the font of a sentence, a word, or anything. If you want to increase the font of the whole document or a paragraph, you just have to select the document. So for now, I've selected the whole document. So if I want to increase the font of everything, all I need to do is hold on my Ctrl and Shift then greater than sign. So that is what I'm doing now, and as you can see, the sizes are increasing. When I change to the less than sign, then it starts decreasing. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this video and have learned one or two things from it. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have in mind anything that you want us to take you through, or any tutorial in mind that you would want us to take, just comment it below and we will do a video on it for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.